Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will be guiding you on how to create a talking avatar using the amazing tool called Canva. So, let's dive right in. To start off, open your preferred web browser and head over to the search bar. Type in Lexica Art AI and click on the first website that appears. Once you're on the website, search for the option to create a young boy character. Take your time to explore the different character options available and choose the one that resonates with you the most. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and download it to your device. Now, let's move on to finding the perfect background for your avatar. In the search bar, type in YouTuber bedroom background and once again, select your favorite background from the search results. Download this background as well, ensuring that it complements the character you previously downloaded. Next, we need to remove the background from our character image to make it look more seamless within the chosen background. To do this, visit the website Removab and simply drag and drop the character image onto the designated area. If prompted, log into the site to obtain a high-definition cutout of your character. Open Canva and click on the option to create a new design. For this particular project, we need to set a custom size for our design. So, input the dimensions 1280 for the width and 720 for the height. This will ensure that our avatar creation fits perfectly within the frame. With the Canva workspace ready, it's time to bring our avatar to life. Simply drag and drop both the background image and the character cutout into the Canva workspace. This will allow you to position and resize the elements as desired, creating a visually appealing composition. Now that you have successfully created your talking avatar using Canva, you can explore various options to bring it to life. Once we're in Canva, we can drag and drop elements onto the canvas, including a table where we can add any additional elements we desire. For example, we can include a microphone to emphasize the avatar's ability to talk. After adjusting the table and making sure our frame looks perfect, we can proceed to download it. Now comes the exciting part, making our avatar talk. To achieve this, we will need to leverage the power of artificial intelligence. Open your web browser and enter DupDub in the search bar. Look for the Talking AI image generator and select the option that allows you to start for free. However, keep in mind that you will need to log into the site to access this feature. Once you've logged in, you can upload the frame we created in Canva. This will serve as the visual representation of our avatar. Now, it's time to make our avatar speak. Simply type in the text you want your avatar to say and click on the generate icon. The website will then process the information and generate a talking avatar for us. While the talking avatar is being processed, we need to be patient and wait for it to be ready. Once the processing is complete, we can download the talking avatar from the website. This is an exciting way to bring your ideas to life and create a unique and engaging experience for your audience. In conclusion, by following these steps, we can easily create a captivating talking avatar using design tools like Canva and artificial intelligence. Let's start creating our own talking avatar now. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest content and never miss out on valuable information. Your host signing off.